how to graph system of linear equations and inequalities in two variables. So let us now recall graphing. Let us have this example. Number 1. Given x is equal to 0, how are you going to graph this? Mathematically, the answer is just the y-axis. The graph of this one is the y-axis. Then number 2, what if I have y is equal to 0? What's the graph of this one? The graph of this is the x-axis only. The x-axis itself, that's the graph of y is equal to 0. Number 3, what if I have x is greater than or equal to 0? How are you going to graph this? So this is a linear inequality. What you need to do, you make a Cartesian plane. And then, we know that x at 0 is at the origin. Okay? And we use greater than or equal. So our dot should be a solid circle. And then you will shade the, because it's greater than, you need to shade the right side. Right side of the y-axis. That's the graph of x is greater than or equal to 0. Number 4. How about y less than 0? What's the graph of this one? So the graph of this one is you locate 0 at the origin and it's a horizontal line. You need to make a Cartesian plane again. Then, because we just use less than, so it's a hollow circle at the origin. And then, it should be broken line at the x-axis. And then, it's less than. You need to shade the bottom of this broken line. This is the graph of y is less than 0. Number 5. How about my given is x is equal to 6. How are you going to graph this? So you make a Cartesian plane. Mathematically, if it's just x, the graph is a vertical line. And we use equal sign. So this is an equation. We know that 6 is located at the positive x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. Okay? And then make a vertical line. That is the graph of x is equal to 6. For example, number 5, let us have x is equal to 3. Number 6, compared to x is greater than or equal to 3. And then number 7, let us graph x is less than 3. What are the graphs of this given? This one is an equation and the rest are inequalities. First, number 6. Make a Cartesian plane. Locate 3 at the positive x-axis. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Practically, the graph of just x is a vertical line. That's it. Then number 6. Make a Cartesian plane again for x is greater than or equal to 3. And then locate 3 at the positive x-axis. So this is 3. And because we use the symbol greater than or equal, our dot should be a solid circle. And then our line should be a solid line. Then you will shade the right side because it's greater than. Right side of this given line. Everything at the right. Without end. Okay? Next, number 3. X is less than 3. Locate 3 at the positive x-axis. 1, 2, 3. Because this is just less than, so a hollow circle. And then make a broken line. Vertical line again. And then because it's less than, you need to shade the left side of this line. This is the graph extended at the negative x-axis. Okay? So these are the difference of x is equal to 3, x is greater than or equal to 3, and x is less than 3. You can compare the 3. Next, number 8. How about we're graphing x is greater than or equal to 1 and y is less than negative 2. So we have now a system of linear inequalities. How to graph this? First, make a Cartesian plane. Locate x at the x-axis. So we have here 1. Because we use greater than or equal. So solid circle. Okay? And the graph of the first inequality is a vertical line. Solid vertical line. Okay? Then y is less than negative 2. So let us locate negative 2 at the negative y-axis. So negative 1, negative 2, because that is less than, so hollow circle. Ayan. Then, the graph of y is always a horizontal line, but it's a broken line because less than. So, negative 2 is not included. Ayan, hindi kasama si negative 2. Okay, so sun and shade. X greater than or equal to 1. So, right side of the first line. The first line is this one. So, x greater than or equal to 1. And the second line is this one, the broken line. So, y is less than negative 2. The first line going to the right. The second line is going down. So, saan sila mag-i-intersect? Right side and then going down. Okay? So, their intersection is here. This part. Ayan. Because you're shading the right side of x is greater than or equal to 1, and you're shading the down part of the broken line less than negative 2. So that region, they will intersect. Number 9. What if my given is x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, then x minus y less than or equal to negative 2. So this system of inequalities, you need to get the x and y intercept. For the first inequality, let us get the x-intercept over y. So the answer should be x is 3, 0. Then y-intercept over x. So the answer is 0, 3. For the first inequality. Then for the second one, this is the second one, x-intercept over y. Everything, even the sign. So x is less than or equal to negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2. Negative 2, 0. And the other one, cover x. So what's left is negative y equals negative 2. Multiply both equation by negative 1 because we need the positive y. So y is equal to 2. Okay? So the answer is 0, 2. Now let us graph. Let's make a Cartesian plane here. Locate the first pair of coordinates. So 3, 0, 0, 3. So this is 3003. Connect the 2 points because 2 points determine a line. So this one is the graph of the first inequality. The shade is going upward. Then the other one, let's graph the second pair of coordinates for the second inequality. Negative 2, 0 here, purple dot. And then 0, 2 here. Connect them by drawing a line. That's our line. The first inequality, it says greater than or equal. So the shade is upward. Upward. So when you shade this one, this part. Okay? And then the second one, less than or equal to negative 2. So it should be downward. Okay? Downward. So here is the shade. So where are they going to intersect? So they will intersect at this portion. Here. Okay? That portion, they will intersect. So this is the graph of this number 9, system of linear inequalities. Final answer.